Hello. Welcome to AirVac Retrofit 101. I am Dee Smallwood with AirVac. I'm here today with Art Brown from Donham Central Systems. Today we're going to explore the benefits of installing an AirVac central vacuum system in an existing home. We will cover the basic sales techniques and installation, mainly because retrofit is such a great way to expand your business. With basic sales techniques and just a little bit of planning, you'll be able to increase your revenues and expand your business to its full potential. Retrofit is really a business way beyond new construction. So Art, let's you and I go in and speak with Mrs. Eileen Leonard about installing her AirVac central vac system.
All right.
Good morning.
Hello, Eileen. How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How are you?
Just fine, thanks. You remember Dee Smallwood?
Hey, it's
Hi.
nice to see you away from the home show.
It's good to have you here. Come on in.
Thank you.
Would you like some coffee?
Well, thank you. I believe I'll pass this morning.
I'm fine, thank you.
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you. Well, Eileen, it's good to see you again. We appreciate the visit we had with you back at the Home Improvement Show a few months ago, and we gave you some literature and gave you a small display of what we had available. But now that we can come to your home where we can get into the full details, well, I hope that Dee and I can answer your questions and make you feel comfortable and make you want that central vac system
Great.
in your home. Let me just review a few things with you. You've had some of this literature, but let's go over it and see if there's any questions that you might have this morning. But one of the main things that we're going to do is to come and improve the air quality inside your home, and that we're going to give you a system that is 2 to 3 times more powerful than a standard vacuum cleaner. We're going to put longer life into your carpet, into your furniture, because the abrasives that get tracked in to your home, if they're not vacuumed real soon, they tend to be wearing out carpet. So with a stronger vac system, I mean, you'll be able to get rid of those abrasives much quicker and cut that out.
Now, one of the real good things about a central cleaning system is that it's designed to clean the entire room, not just your floors or your furniture. You've got a lightweight hose that's easily manipulated that you can clean off the tops of your pictures or your door jambs, your bookshelves, paddle fans, those pesky cobwebs that get in the corner. Again, it's designed to clean the entire room, not just part of it. A couple of other highly important things to mention are that the AirVac system removes microscopic particles like pollen, bacteria, pet dander, and it doesn't breathe them back into the air like an upright vac. And it's quiet to operate because the motor is placed away from the house, typically in the garage.
One of the best things that you'll do, you're making a good investment to your home, that while you'll enjoy using the system, should you ever decide you want to sell this house, you added a great asset to the house, and future potential buyers will look at that as being that's something that they'd like to have, so it may help the resale of your home very quickly.
Good.
And we have a great exclusive no-fault warranty policy with the system also. I know you're going to feel comfortable with having that available to you also.
Actually, the central cleaning itself is really simple in design. With the power unit out in the garage, as you see through here, you simply have the tubing go through your attic, and then you've got drops that we'll put down in your walls. And we'll locate these inlets throughout your home in strategic locations where you can clean several rooms from each inlet. And we have to go through and figure out where we're going to put those. And that's kind of what we need to do now. And normally we kind of start at the farthest point, so we need to go back to the far corner of your home.
Okay, well, that would be my closet.
Well, good. Let's go look at your closet.
Okay, well, follow me. This is the bedroom, and the closet's right through that door and to the right.
Oh, all right. Well, Art, you want to take that cord and head back in the far corner of that closet? We're just using an extension cord. It's marked off at 27 feet. Where the cleaning hose itself is actually 30 feet, so we're leaving 3 foot of extra just for going around furniture to make sure that we're not trying to stretch that hose make it easy access for you.
Good.
Art, how are
To
you?
the closet.
All right, Art's back there as far as he can go, and so our cleaning hose is going to be out into this area. We can't quite reach over this far effectively, so we'll need an inlet right in here. Now we have power right here, and so with your motor-driven power head, you'll be able to tap into power, and so our first inlet is going to be right in this area right here.
That'd be good.
So this is where our first one will be. We have power. Let's go see if we can locate the next one.
Okay.
Art, if you'll stand there, we'll see how far this one goes.
Okay.
All right, as we come out in this way, this one inlet can clean this entire area, but about this far is how far your cleaning hose will go.
Okay.
As we do our layout, we found that in the far corner of this one bedroom, this one inlet wouldn't quite reach it. We were just a little bit shy.
Okay.
So we've been looking, is this the wall to the garage?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, in that case, we should be able to, is this a closet?
Yes.
Oh, this will work out very nicely. We'll be able to come through the garage and come through the wall into the upper corner of the closet, then mount the pipe on up in the corner of the ceiling and bring it across and come down inside your closet through the wall, and then we'll mount another inlet right here. Okay? Again, you've got power right here beside it, so this will be a real convenient location. Make sure that we've covered your entire room. We're not missing anything. We do have some overlap, but that's we've laid it out to where leastwise you'll be able to get every corner of your entire house.
Well, that'll be handy.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it. This is just a real straightforward installation. I really don't anticipate any problems.
That's great.
Eileen, I have a good proposal for you here. We've had fun working with you through the house. This will show you exactly what we'll do to make this a great system for you. You'll really enjoy this. What do you think?
It looks wonderful. Much better than I expected it to be.
All right, good. While you're signing that, could you think of a day we can come back next week and start our work for you?
Any day next week would be fine. Just give me a call.
All right, good. We'll do that. Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome, and thank you.
Okay.
Well, here we are at Eileen's house on installation day, getting ready to install her AirVac central cleaning system. Fortunately, Eileen had some pictures of her house while they were under construction. This way we were able to confirm whether she had any wire in the wall or if she had any fire blocks or any other obstructions. Normally, of course, if you don't have pictures like this, you normally would drill a hole in the tap plate, and you would then look down into the wall with a flashlight and confirm that everything's okay. Other obstacles to look for include heating and cooling ducts, plumbing in the kitchen and bath areas. Also, place your inlets on the interior walls because the exterior walls are normally inaccessible. This is a straightforward installation. Even though it's a two-story house, we do have access to the attic and we have access to the second story from two sides. So everything is going to be coming from the attic down, and it's a real straightforward installation, with one exception where we had to come under the second story from the garage through a closet down to an inlet in the bedroom. But we'll cover that in a few minutes. I hear they're getting ready to get started, so let's go take a look. This is where we've decided to locate one of the inlets. We've been able to use the door chime above and the air vent as reference points up in the attic. We were using a rough end that is self-marking. We simply turn it around and it will mark the wall for itself. He's leveling it to make sure that it's even with the 110-volt plug that's beside it. Levels the outlet to make sure that it's square on the wall. There's nothing worse than a crooked picture on the wall. He indents it and marks it, and now we're ready to cut. He's just doing a quick outline on the wall. Now that we've got the hole located and cut, we're ready to go up in the attic, drill a hole, drop the pipe, and hook up the inlet. We're very fortunate here at Eileen's house that we have this doorway coming from the second story right into the attic. We're getting ready, Kenny's back here getting ready to drill a hole for that inlet that we were looking at downstairs. So let's go take a look. All right, as we see, we've located the inlet right here above the hole.